Asus has, yet again, refreshed its line of cutting-edge gaming smartphones. The new duo is the ROG Phone 8 and ROG Phone 8 Pro. And for the first time since inception, we have a major design change. Space's Asus ROG phones have always had the crazy over-the-top specs and cutting-edge hardware, up to 24 GB of RAM for the most expensive ROG Phone 8 Pro. ROG Phone 8 Pro display. Despite having a much smaller footprint than its predecessor, the ROG Phone 8 still packs a 6.78-inch screen on the front. It is, again, an AMOLED panel that can deliver a wowing sharpness, vibrancy, and brightness. No surprise there, these are great displays. And since it's a gaming phone, of course it can hit a 165Hz refresh rate. 8 Pro camera. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with a brand new camera module on the back, a 50MP main camera with a 6-axis gimbal stabilizer, a 13MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP 3x telephoto camera. Performance and benchmarks. As before, the ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with special tuning modes that optimize performance: the X Mode, which goes all guns blazing, the Balance Mode for everyday use, and Ultra Durable Mode for power saving. ROG Phone 8 Pro OS Android version. ROG UI is a light reskin of the stock Android 14. There's the Armory, which is your game launcher and holds all the settings for the gaming triggers and the lights on the phone. Phone 8 Pro battery. The ROG Phone 8 Pro is a bit thinner and a bit lighter than before, but has a 5500 mAh battery. That's only 500 mAh smaller than the cell in the large ROG Phone 7. ROG Phone 8 Pro charging speeds. The ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with its own 65W charger inside the box. It utilizes dual cells inside the body, which will charge in parallel for optimized speed and battery health. The wireless charging is a standard affair. Phone 8 Pro definitely has a bit of give and take to it. It's very fast, we like how it looks, its speakers are great, though not as good as before, its display is beautiful. The camera is okay by today's standards, it doesn't wow us and occasionally disappoints, but we don't mind using it as a daily carry.